Hello my lovely fans, welcome back to today's video. It's your number one Dora fashion inspiration in the house. In today's video, we'll be showcasing you this amazing natural twist hairstyle, guys. In this video, you'll be seeing the tutorial on how to braid this beautiful fluffy natural twist hairstyle that will make you look so beautiful and amazing. So stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end because we have different style in this video, both on how to, you'll be learning how to pack it after braiding it, how to style it, how to give it a different look that will make you look so stunning and so beautiful at the same time. So guys, don't forget to tap on your button so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. You'll be the first person to get notified and watch the video, guys. So in today's video, this video is so good. The reason it's so good, and I will recommend it for all my natural hair girls in the house, is this style is so nice in protecting your hair from breakage. It also strengthens your hair. If you are a type that is looking for any style that will make your hair too long, that will help you to grow your hair, I will recommend this fluffy twist hairstyle for you, this natural twist hairstyle for you, because it glows hairs like mad. It glows hairs like you will be amazed after losing it. The hairstyle is so beautiful, so good, and so top notch. So stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end. Tell me the one you are going to rock on the comment section. I will be getting the reply and I will be replying you guys one after the other. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you are highly welcome to Dora Fashion Inspiration. In here, we showcase a lot of amazing African beautiful fashion styles, hairstyles, cornrow hairstyle, man-made hairstyle, beautiful knotless braid tutorial. In this video, we showcase both tutorial on how to braid it, how to style, and how to pack your hair that will make you look so demure and so beautiful like a chalugo that you are. So guys, for all my returning subscribers, thank you very much once again for always stopping by to watch my video. Shout out to all my South African fans, shout out to all my United States fans, to my United Kingdom fans, to my Nigerian fans. I love you guys so much for always supporting your girl. Please do it by sharing this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I hope you enjoyed this video to the end. And tell me the one you're going to rock. We have different style in this video that you're not going to regret the reason why you click on this video to watch. Bye.